Hi there, this is Aude. Would you like to talk about movies and television with a French speaker? Then this video is made for you. You're going to learn a lot about movies, genre, TV shows, and so on. Ready to step up your French? Let's get started. What's the best method to improve your speaking skills? That's practice. So each time you see this, it's your turn to speak. Let's start with movie genres. You're going to see it's very easy because it's very similar to English. Tu aimes quoi comme film? What type of film do you like? J'aime les comédies romantiques. J'aime les films d'action et les films d'aventure. J'aime les films policiers et les films d'horreur. J'aime les films de science-fiction. You see, that was pretty easy. Just let's have a little look on how to say an action movie, for example. In French, you're not going to say action movie, you're going to say a movie of action. That's why the type of the film is after the word movie. Tu aimes quoi comme film? Tu aimes quoi comme film? Tu aimes quoi comme film? It's your turn to ask the question. J'aime les films de science-fiction. Now you're going to learn about TV shows. Tu regardes quoi comme émission? What type of shows do you watch? Je regarde les informations et les jeux télévisés. Je regarde les émissions de sport, de musique et de cuisine. Je regarde les documentaires. Je regarde les séries. The last two are very easy to guess. Documentaries, documentaire, and of course we've got series, which is exactly the same word in French and in English. But let's have a look at the top phrases we've got here. We've got les jeux télévisés, TV games, and we also got les informations, the news. Then the word émission is shows, and you can watch a sport show, a music show, or a cooking show. Tu regardes quoi comme émission? Tu regardes quoi comme émission? Tu regardes quoi comme émission? Your turn. Je regarde les séries. Okay guys, now it's time for a little writing practice. I would like you to answer the following question. Tu regardes quoi comme émission? What type of show do you watch? So please write your answer below. Let's see how you can give your opinion on television. Tu aimes regarder la télé? Pourquoi? Oui, j'aime regarder la télé, c'est divertissant. Non, je n'aime pas regarder la télé, c'est ennuyeux. Okay, let's go back to the question. I'm sure you guessed that the word télé is a short version of television. French people would always use this one. Do you like watching TV? And why? Yes, I like watching television, TV, depending where you come from. And we've got an opinion here. C'est divertissant. It's entertaining. On the second one, I'm saying that I don't like watching telly because it's boring, ennuyeux. Tu aimes regarder la télé? Pourquoi? Tu aimes regarder la télé? Pourquoi? It's your turn. Non, je n'aime pas regarder la télé, c'est ennuyeux. Okay, guys, now tell me whom you're watching TV with. Tu regardes la télé avec qui? Je regarde la télé avec mon mari, ma femme, mon copain, ma copine. Je regarde la télé avec ma famille. Je regarde la télé avec mes enfants. I'm sure you get that avec is with. And then you can put any people after that. Avec mon mari, ma femme, with my husband, wife. Avec mon copain, ma copine, he would say boyfriend or girlfriend. Then we've got with my family, of course. And the last one, mes enfants, would be my children. I'm going to give you a bit more explanation on mon copain and ma copine because it might be a bit confusing. Okay, here in that situation, we're saying mon copain, ma copine, my boyfriend, my girlfriend. But you can also hear people say avec un copain, avec une copine. And in that case, that would be with a friend, a male friend, with a friend, a female friend. But you might have also heard mon petit copain, ma petite copine. Petit is a word for small, but small friend is really strange. It's another way to say boyfriend or girlfriend. It's a bit old-fashioned. We don't use that anymore. Tu regardes la télé avec qui? Tu regardes la télé avec qui? Tu regardes la télé avec qui? Your turn. Je regarde la télé avec ma famille. Well done! I'm sure now that you're comfortable enough to have a French conversation about movies and television. So what's your next step? Have a look at that playlist on Hobbies where you can learn and practice on some more videos. And don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss any videos to practice a bit more and be a better French speaker. À bientôt!